Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card to SJCam C300. And to do this, we'll need to take a look on the bottom where the charging plug is. We'll need to click on this button right here and release the battery back slot. And yep, that's how it goes. Then we need to take a look right here. And there's this hatch. We need to open it in the bottom direction, and it should open just like that. Now take your SIM card and stick it like that. Make sure that it sits well, and we can close the hatch. And that's how you insert the card. Only thing left to do is to close the battery. Well, now it's okay, and we just inserted our SD card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.